guys, I'm going to show you how to get the explosive rifle. It does explode when you hit someone, okay? In Zachology build fight, it's one of the best things ever, you see? Seriously. So, you should definitely play this map. First, you need to come to this area of the map, and then you'll find this dynamite here. You hit it, you claim the hunting rifle, press play, and then you have to shoot all of them in 15 seconds. Okay? And there you go, you'll get the secret. That's how to get it in Zachology build fights. Okay, this one's an easy secret.